Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So as you can see guys, my hair is looking a little crazy, but I just finished washing it. But I just want to show you guys that I'm doing this video on the battle of the rods. So when I say that, I mean that I'm gonna have flexi rods on this side and I'm gonna have the spiral rods on this side of my hair. So you all know that flexi rods are my favorite, my go-to, my everything. So these seem a little bit easier, and I see a lot of girls' hair come out basically the same. So since they have these little spirals on there and you can just basically wrap your hair around it, I'm gonna see if I actually like these way better. So I don't know guys, like these might be my new favorite, but let's see. So now that my hair is in the sections, so I'm gonna use this part and basically reduce all this dryness and frizz so that I can start putting the rods in. So what I'm gonna do is just spray it because I hate that it looks so frizzy and it dries so quick. So if your hair is like that, then you know the struggle. I absolutely hate that because now my hair is like super tangled right now and I have to like comb it. And I hate that about my hair. So what I'm gonna do is just keep combing it until all the combs are out. That's a little better. Yeah, I think that's a little better. So now I can get started. I'm not gonna do a tutorial or show you guys how I'm wrapping my hair around with the flexi rods because I have a video on that, basically like 2 videos on that, so you can check that out. But I'm just gonna fast forward through that part, and then when I do get to the right side of my hair with the spiral rods, I will kind of show you guys on that because I never used these before, so this is gonna be my first time. So hopefully my hands are not fumbling trying to get my hair through these things. So, and then like I'm trying to figure out how does it stay. I just realized that. Oh well, we're about to see. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using for this style. So you know I'm going to use my go-to Lala Body mousse for moisture, and then also my twist and pudding product. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of gel so that the ends can stay on the flexi rod so it won't unfold or unravel or whatever. So yeah. So for this section, I'm just going to fast forward through this part because all I'm doing is just re-wetting this section of my hair, combing through it, and just prepping my hair so then I can just basically get started with putting my hair through the spiral rods. And like I said, this is a trial and error, but what I will do is just slow it down a little bit and show you guys exactly how my hair is basically connecting with the spiral rod and staying on. Know that you're supposed to wrap it on this part, and that's why it's been falling apart. Just retarded. So I didn't know that you have to attach your hair or wrap your hair around the hook part and then wrap your hair around the spirals of the spiral rods. Like, I didn't know that the directions was on the back of the label. So I was over here like struggling and like, okay, how to figure this out because my hair kept coming loose. So then when I actually looked at the back of the label and the directions, I was like, oh my God, I felt so slow. But now I'm trying to get the hang of it. Like I said, this is a trial and error, but definitely probably won't do this again. Okay guys, so it is the next morning and unfortunately I did have to sleep in these things because my hair was not dry. And as you can see guys, my hair did come out of the curls, but I am liking how the curls did come out, but I don't think I would try these things again because one, it was a little bit difficult to do, and two, like I said, they did come out and these were hard to sleep in. So I'm gonna unravel and take everything out, so wait and see for the results. So hopefully everything came out like how I expected. So as you can see guys, I'm finishing up taking my hair out of the spiral rods and I'm starting to notice that I do not like how my hair came out. I don't know if I didn't do it right, but as you can see on the side of where the flexi rods were, they are looking a little bit better than the spiral rods. But I'm just going to separate the curls and see how it looks in the end. Okay guys, so these are the results of my hair. So like I said, spiral rods were on this side and flexi rods were on that side. And I do not like how the spiral rods did for my hair. I don't know, it's just, maybe I didn't do it right, but I don't like it. So again, flexi rods are the winner. I love how my flexi rods work on my hair. You see it's like bouncy. It's a little frizzy because I separated it too much, but this side is just not as popping as this side. So it's full, it's bouncy, it's full of life. This one seems a little dull, frizzy. I'm just not with it. So like I said, flexi rods are still my best friend. If you know any other rods that's better than these, let me know and I'll try them out. But as of now, these are it. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment what's your favorite rods. Thank you.